Hello, I'm Raymond Snyder. In this video, I'll be explaining the basic operations of the Adams 2-ton ground-driven spreader. Attach the Adams spreader to your equipment using a pin and safety chains. Connect the two hydraulic hoses and secure them with a bungee cord or rope to keep them clear of any other equipment. Before spreading, check the air pressure on all tires, including the spreader and the vehicle pulling it. Consult the owner's manual for recommended pressure ratings. Inadequate tire pressure may cause undesirable tracks in turf. Calibrate the Adams spreader using manufacturer's recommendations along with the bulk density of the product being applied. When spreading Harrell's fertilizer, the bulk density can be found on the fertilizer label. The chart on the back of the Adams spreader provides recommended settings based on the bulk density of the fertilizer and the driving distance. Keep in mind that these settings are for ag-grade products. With Harrell's fairway grade material, the distance between passes is typically around 35 feet. Keep the spreader lubricated by following recommendations in the owner's manual. Over-lubrication, however, is not recommended, as this can cause seals to blow out, requiring them to be replaced more frequently. Clean the spreader after each use and verify cleanliness before each use. Cleaning the spreader with water or other solvents immediately prior to fertilizer spreading can cause fertilizer to stick to the spreader as a result of undesirable surface moisture. When filling the spreader, be careful not to overfill, as this can cause fertilizer to spill out on uneven terrain, potentially resulting in fertilizer burn or staining. This is a ground-driven spreader, so when the hydraulics are engaged, the power wheel will lower onto the tire, which causes the conveyor chain to move fertilizer to the spinning plates, and spreading will begin. The power wheel also has a lever that can be engaged when the spreader is not moving, before and after making a spreader pass if the hydraulics are not available. The lever will raise or lower the power wheel, which will start or stop spreading. Harrells recommend using equipment with hydraulics. Using the lever makes spreading more difficult. Always remember that driving speed will determine spread width. Higher speeds will throw fertilizer out farther than slower speeds. Maintain a steady speed for a consistent spread width. A comfortable driving speed is recommended, typically 4 to 7 miles per hour. When spreading is starting or stopping, make sure you are moving forward. Fertilizer will build up in the spinner plates when spreading stops. When spreading restarts, a large amount of fertilizer may be thrown. On your first pass, place markers on your closest tire path and along the outer edge of the spreading pattern. On the next pass, you want your spread pattern landing near the closest tire track from the previous pass. As always, please work with your Harrells representative if any additional assistance is required.